doing them runners after a unit's been fitted was a right bitch. A lot of it's my own fault because I cut most of this freehand just with a skill saw, no temp, like no runner guide, full extension on the drawers. So it needs a bit of a tidy up and a paint up because I've had to got a few marks on it now. And I had to adjust one of these drawers, so it needs painting. These will probably glide a bit better when they've got a bit of weight in them, so we'll see about that. So on. I'm not going to bore you painting every one of them, but all I'm doing is keying up the box, give them a nice coat of satin black, and then what I do is just hang them up in the on the runners, let them dry off a bit, and then put the handles back on, and it's going to look great. I'm going to spray these ones as well, but I'm going to spray these silver, so I've got some silver to go on that. It's just that I painted all the units down here, and I like the contrast of the red and black, when I looked at this I thought, oh okay, so I'm going to paint this, the drawers black and then the outside of it's red. Just makes me feel better, but I'll show you when it's done. Much better. Just got these to do. Okay, so this is done as far as I'm going to take it. Finished off all these. Really pleased with these. This one's been changed over. The runners, quite bitch. Works pretty well, apart from this one, because I forced this one in when I was doing it and broke one of the runners clean in half. Well, not in half, just fell to bits, so I had to bend it and get it back together. So this one doesn't actually work properly, but I'm not that bothered about it. So this is done, this is done, this is done. So painted these to match, so the drawers match with silver, because these were red with silver. These were red with black, so these have been done. Painted these silver, all silver, come out quite well, I think. Same colour. And these are all nice now. So it's just a little side project to get it all looking the same. It's only for me, nobody else is going to really see it. So, apart from you lot. So that's pretty cool. I have got another one over here, but this one is old. It's a no make and it's completely, these are all, like the hinges are all shit basically, so I might have a play with that one. This one's bent, but anyway, so that's it on the toolboxes now. That's all finished, that's all great. Thank you all for watching as usual, really appreciate it, and catch you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.